So today I was going over NestJS and implementing NestJS for my project, and basically I was building the schema, deciding what the schema should look like, uh, looking around how the database schema should be designed for this Vim Batters thing that I'm building. Currently, I'm not doing that much. Currently, I'm just building tables for users, followers, problem set, submission, uh, these things I'm building it for. Uh, I might have missed a couple of tables. Also contest. So these things I'm building the table for, and I was just check marking some things I need to do. I was also thinking currently I will just put everything in Postgres and not worry about the system design as of now because I cannot find any good articles or maybe I should think about it. I don't know. Currently, I'm just putting everything in Postgres, just get it to work, and then I'll come back again to reiterate on how these things should be built. It's fine. Slowly, I'll build it. Apart from that, I was looking into caching, service workers, and React and JavaScript performance. So many things I found about that. Uh, I realized that destructuring with reduce is so slow. So I'll give you an example. So basically, what happened was I was trying to reduce some main thread work, breaking down some long tasks, and I realized most of the performance just simply came from removing a reduce function which was doing lots of spread operators and using dot reduce functions a lot, and I just made it into one loop of for each, and the computation time dropped from like 40 milliseconds to 6 milliseconds. And for scaling, like this was for 500 uh, to 600 item list, and basically for larger list it will be the best. I also realized that React is very efficient at what it does, and uh, all my attempts to reduce the commits to React DOM were like slightly more effective than what I would have imagined. Uh, so reducing commits and reducing rewinders, using memorization and callback. One thing I realized ki memorization is not always helpful. So there was this one place where I was doing memorization and I just removed it and it saved me performance. So yeah, that also happened. Yeah, so that's it. I was just going over some articles, reading around what I have done, like what needs to be done for this project. Two more things. I was going through the documentation of Prisma and I found something new today called CUID, and it is specially designed to avoid collision. So that's what I got to know from that. Which is quite interesting. It is smaller than UUID and there is Nano ID also. So I was thinking which one to go for. I could not find whether there is Nano ID for Prisma or not, but yeah, let's see. Apart from that, I was always with NetRW, which is a directory management thing for Vim. I was always traveling up and down to travel between directories. Uh, Now I found a way which is like pressing minus to go back up, so which is very helpful. Also to switch between different kind of tree, I can just press I and switch between different views. So yeah, I'm diving deep more into Vim and learning to be efficient in Vim also. So yeah, that's all for today.